Hey everyone! Welcome back to App Genius. Today, I'm going to show you how to send a photo as a document on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app. It's available on both Android and iOS, so don't worry if you're on a different device. Next, navigate to the chat where you want to send the photo. Just tap on the contact or group chat. Now, look for the paperclip icon if you're using Android, or the plus icon if you're on iPhone. Tap on it. Instead of selecting Gallery or Photos, choose Document. This option lets you send files without losing quality. Now, you need to locate your photo. If your photo isn't in document format, you might need to convert it to a PDF first. You can use various apps for that. Once you find your photo or PDF, just tap on it, and then hit Send. Your photo will be sent as a document. You've successfully sent a photo as a document on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips.